Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. It has been the hottest of minutes, y'all, and I apologize for that. Lots of stuff has been going on under this roof, and I mean, nothing super horrible and terrible. And YouTube has reached out to me and they were like, girl, we about to demonetize your channel because that is how long it has been since I have uploaded any content. I'm so sorry. So that's why I'm here, because honestly, if it wasn't for the monetization issue, I may not be sitting down here to do this. Actually, I take that back because, yeah, I got some things to say. But it is currently, what is this? Monday, January 19th, and the Australian Open is in full swing now. So I'm not going to be walking y'all through the designs I'm going to be doing. I'm probably going to meet y'all back here in just a few seconds with a voiceover. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. What I have done, I have prepped a few tips here. Not very well, I might add. I've got some wrinkling happening with my white gel polish because I have pulled out water decals. I have pulled out some stamping plates. I'm tossing around some ideas, but I did just want to give y'all, I don't know, a few different lengths, a few different shapes, and also sort of, what's the word, advertise, I guess. 77 nail decals again. Y'all know I've done 77 nail decals videos on my channel before. I no longer have a discount code, or I currently don't have a discount code because she is in the process of sort of changing over to a different affiliate type of a platform or whatever. So unfortunately, my 10% off discount code in the box, which is probably still in the box, my boxes really don't ever change. You can't really use that. Apologies, but she said she'd get back to me, and I just talked to her just a few days ago on the old emails. She said she'd get back to me whenever she figured all that out. So there will be a new 77 nail decals affiliate code, hopefully coming out pretty soon. But for now, just sit back and relax, and I'm gonna look at these gorgeous human beings over here to my right playing tennis right now in the Australian summertime. They're just so beautiful, and they're so athletic. They're like gazelles out on that court. Oh, y'all. Okay. I hope y'all are taking very good care of yourselves. If I forget to tell y'all that in my voiceover, there's a lot of bullshit going on right now in America. And I'm pissed off. I feel like I'm pissed off all the time. So if you feel like you are always pissed off all the time, just as I am, you've come to the right channel. But also know you're not alone. You are not alone in your feelings, and they are valid. And if you are not upset about what you see currently, take a good hard look at yourself and ask yourself why, because you should be. All right, let's get on with the program. All right, you guys, I have pulled out 477 nail decals designs because I'm sort of doing, it's not really a full cohesive set, but basically these are resistance nails. I'm doing resistance nail art, and I'm using different backgrounds and different, oh, and yeah, we're almost at the old Valentine's Day. And honestly, I don't know if she still has these particular decals on her website still, but I'm just tossing out some ideas. I was just doing some random resistance nails. So if you're going to a protest, if you want to make a statement with your nail art, because that's what nail art is, it is expression. If you want to make a statement with your nail art, I'm just going to do a few different designs to sort of, I don't know, get some of my own artistic aggression maybe out. Not really sure. But she has multiple sizes of decals, hundreds of designs, obviously. And I thought Bubbles, Blossom, and Buttercup from the old Powerpuff Girls needed to to make a showing. They needed to show up to help save the day over here in America. So I decided I was just going to pull out my little Powerpuff Girls. They were huge when Spawn was little, and of course, he and I watched all the time. Johnny Bravo, like all the Dexter's Laboratory, all the Cartoon Network sort of classics, Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, and Courage the Cowardly Dog, and Ed, Ed, and Eddie, and, the list goes on and on. But the Powerpuff Girls will always hold a special place in my heart. So, where am I? Yeah, okay. So, I've soaked my decal, I'm putting it on, and it's not going to fit. Um, at first because I should have trimmed this nail even more than I already did, this tip. Um, because even though I was using the biggest, widest, longest, fattest decal, it still didn't fit. So what I did off camera, I believe, was I trimmed a little bit more of that white off at the tip. But even then, there's still going to be a little bit of the white tip that you can see outside, which is fine because I'm going to put a border. That's my favorite thing to do with water decals that don't quite fit these long or fat tips that I be using in my videos. I will throw a border on it. And in fact, I think I do it again in another nail or on another tip that you're going to see. So, any boobs, I'm just going to take some black gel polish and draw my little border. And then I think that's all I do on this particular nail because I just wanted it to speak for itself because, hello, it's the Powerpuff Girls. And they're here to kick ass and take names and whip the shit out of the bad guys, okay? So watch out, Mojo Jojo. They're coming for you. So, what are we doing? Yeah, I'm just going to sort of zip through, I think, the rest of this. But what you want to do with these decals before I continue, when you get all of your design going, or you're finished, don't put a top coat on it. You want to top these with a base coat, which I do believe I show you here very soon. You want to top your entire design with the base coat first and then go over it with your top coat. Yes, so here's your base gel. I'm going to top this with my base coat, zap it, and then come back later on when I get all my little nails done and give it a top coat. Or maybe I'm going to do that right now. I don't really know. I filmed this so long ago. Y'all, the Australian Open done come and done went. All right, that's how long it's been since I recorded this, but I have some big news and I don't know if I'm going to share. Yes, I'm going to share it in this video at the end. Stick around to the very end for the biggest news that I have. All right, so I'm going to use a bunch of Madam Glam gorgeous freaking gel polishes here. I think I show you the names of these. I don't remember. But I'm going to do a bloomin' nail. And this was just sort of like I kind of wanted a background. I just wanted a background because I'm going to do some stamping on this nail. So these are all of the gorgeous Madame Glam. Is this last year's Pride collection? This might have been last year's Pride collection. All right, so I've already thrown down my blooming gel, and I'm just going to brush these on in like squiggly lines. And I'm just going to let them do their thing. I'm going to let them bloom, let them do their thing. I'm going to take my little wipey wipe here and just sort of drag, oops, I think I hit my microphone. I'm just going to drag off some of this excess because you don't want that curing in the lamp because it's going to get all wrinkly. And then I'm just going to take my brush and just swipe through all of this. And again, just sort of let it do a little bit more blooming. When I like it, I'm going to zap it. And I think I already zapped it. And I'm showing you the zapped version. So I set that off to the side because I'll be stamping on that in just a little bit. And then this, I love this freaking design. This is beautiful. I wish I could remember the name of it. I would tell you what it was so you could check it out on the website. So again, I used a larger tip than I should have. For this size that I chose, I'm going to use this pink. Look, I done put a border on it. Through the magic of editing, boom, there is a hot pink border, baby. I love that, pink madness. And this, oh, I didn't show you me putting this decal on, but I have the decal on. And I'm going to sponge a border. I'm just going to do like a little sponge and sort of go over a little bit of the decal as well. And I think you're going to see me do that in my next decal on my next decal tip as well with the candy hearts. Yeah, so I'm just going to cover up some little extra whiteness that you can see on the outside with a little sponge and just make it, I don't know, a little vintagey, I guess. Okay, so here is my little my little Valentine's candy heart. And even though the tip is white and sort of the background of this decal is pink, I wanted to sort of punch up that pink a little bit. So I'm going to sponge a little bit of pink over my candy hearts a little bit. It's going to be over just the plain background. See, I just sort of punched it up a little bit. Give it a little bit of depth. And I'm going to use my Stand Strong Stampin' Plate because I need to make a couple of statements, okay? And I'll let you watch this, and I'm going to let you know no justice, no peace, okay? And I'm also going to let you know where I stand when it comes to these people right here. Oh, I'm sorry, the next one. Oh yeah, ice. Fuck ice, okay? Color is not a crime. And also, please vote. Please vote. Because no one is illegal. And also, fuck Nazis, okay? Fuck Nazis. All right. So I could say fuck him. I could say fuck her. I could say fuck ICE. I could say fuck the oligarchy, the patriarchy, the racism, the misogyny, the white Christian nationalism, the corruption, the lawlessness, the pedo protectors, the constitutional traitors, the spineless assholes in Congress, the bought and paid for Supreme Court. I could say fuck this entire regime and everyone in it, but I won't, even though I just did. So I'll say this. Fucking vote. Okay, go to vote.org. That's vote.org. You can register to vote. You can find your polling place. You can track your ballot. You can sign up to vote by mail. You can get election reminders. And I'm talking start local. Start with your local school boards. Okay, vote for people way down the ballot. Okay, please start there because Lord knows that's sort of where it starts. We need to get all of the shitty people out of the down ballot, right, positions so they don't creep their way up to the top of the ballot, if you catch my drift. Oh, and I got a puppy. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That's going to do it for me, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!